Akiaria hindi ya kihinguro kia monanio ma wonjoria kuma China a guku bururi-ini nikio CTW, abitha ministry-ini ya hinya wa kuhuthika engineer Thomas Karungu ni agathiriirie ndugu ya wonjoria gatagati ga Kenya na China.
Kenya offers more than a market for your products. It offers an opportunity to establish long-term industrial partnerships and to invite you to invest locally, work with Kenyan enterprises, develop after-sales and maintenance capacity, and adapt your technologies to the needs of African markets.
No na kuri uguo Karungu ni ahinyiriirie onjoria aria maragira indo China kwagaga o kugura indo iria ndeku no indi makaguraga ona material cia guka gwithondekera indo guku ona icunguruma cia guka kugathikaniria machini guku bururi-ini kuona gwika uguo ni kuo gugukuria iganda cia guku bururi-ini.
However, our cooperation must extend beyond the importation of finished equipment. Kenya seeks partnerships that support local assembly, component manufacturing, technology transfer, research, technical training, and the development of local supply chains.
Monanio maya maria marahanika nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC ni maikereka ria 11 na mohithanitio na ikereka ria gatatu ria monanio megi indo cia thitima kuria Kenya ithiete na mbere na kwiranira kwirutaniria kwayo gutigirira bururi wina thitima ya kuigana itarathingitha na itarahukia utonga wa kimerera.
The government of Kenya is aggressively expanding the digital superhighway because we view digital connectivity not as a luxury but as an essential public utility that must reach every part of our country.
The Kenya's push is towards having 100% access of electricity by all its citizens by year 2030, and also in doing that also by deploying renewable resources.
Monanio maya ni mathiku ithatu na maguciriirie onjoria kihiri makiria kuma bururi wa China aria maigithitie guku bururi-ini matanyari guthiminda ngwataniro ya wonjoria gatagati ga Kenya na China. Gerifo Tera Inoro TV Getu wa Garimaria wa Muigana.